So today we're going to go into our class link and choose the app right here, Braining Camp. So get into your class link and then click on this app. When you're in this app, you're going to see all different kinds of math virtual manipulatives. Today, we are going to go to right here to fraction tiles. So click onto that. And we're going to be exploring how to create fractions out of a whole. So over here on the left, you see some different sized rectangles. You're going to pull over a whole. Then you're going to pull over two halves and line it up. I want you to then do thirds. So it takes 3 of the thirds to create a whole. And then lastly, we're going to do fourths. So it's going to probably take, what do you think? How many? That's right. It's going to take 4. And you want to line them up just right so it equals the whole. All right, so we're not quite done yet. I want you then to come over to the text feature like we've used before. Click it, and I want you to first type your name. Get off of it and drag it to the top like you normally would. Then I want you to go back, and now we're going to start typing our vocabulary. Whole, and then we're going to bring it over to the side. Half, or we want to call these halves. And the F changes to a V. That's a spelling pattern when it's more than one. So drag that over. Next one's thirds. If it's one, it's third. If it's plural, it's thirds with an S, singular and plural. So this is the singular, meaning only one, and 3/3 would be 1, 2, 3, just like that. Last, we want to spell fourths. F-O-U-R-T-H is singular, and F-O-U-R-T-H-S would make it plural. Drag that over. All right, so then the next thing you're going to do is take a screenshot like you always do to show me your work. So if you're on an iPad, you know it's the home button and the side button at the same time, and it saves it in the camera roll. If you are on a laptop, there's a snipping tool. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to take my snipping tool and I'm going to drag it just like this. And then I'm going to save it. File, save as. Give it a second to work. Fractions by Mrs. DeFelice. That would be what I'm going to name it. I'm saving it in my pictures. And then the last step for you guys, I want you to go to your class dojo. So in your dojo portfolio, you're going to have an activity. I'm naming it right now. Fraction picture. And it's going to be a photo that you upload. So I want to show you how to do that. I'm going to log out as me. And I'm going to log in as a student. So as you get into Dojo, let me get back there. I need to log in as a student. Remember our code we're using right now, our text code, right here, the ABC, and it's VOSNMD. I'll let you know when that changes again in a few hours, 46 hours. All right, I'm going to find my name because I'm a student now. And you're going to see an activity that says to get to do. View all. So let's see if it's in there, because I just added it, so it might not be in there yet. So anyways, this is where you're going to come and you're going to choose right here the activity that you saw me create. For right now, oh, there it is, fraction picture. So you're going to click that. You're going to give it a second to load. When it does load, you're going to go find the picture you just saved, either in your camera roll on a device or on your pictures that you put on a laptop. And then you're done.